Hello guys, Wild here, and today we're gonna be doing part 2 of the Phaser tutorial. So last episode we set up the base framework, I guess, in main.js. So what we're gonna do this episode is just gonna load in an image and make a scroll, so a scrolling background. First of all, what we need is a variable to store our background. So in this case, it's going to be a star field, which is just going to scroll. So it's like we're racing through space or something. So let's make a variable called space field. Alright. And now let's load the image in. So go into your files and go to assets. And then have a picture named starfield.png. Make sure it's 800 by 600. Because that's our game size. So pretty much all you want to do is just make some stars or whatever. I might have a link to the download in the description, I'm not even sure. Anyway, so make sure you have that in the assets folder. And then go back to the code and just do game.load the image, and I need an ID, which is going to be a star field. So in the folder assets called starfield.png. Alright, so now so we loaded it in the game, but now we need to show it, right? So since it's gonna be scrolling, whatever. So it's gonna be scrolling on the screen. So it's gonna need to repeat itself over and over again. As the position goes higher on the y-axis, basically is the most basic way I say it. But to put in the game, we need to do so let's set up space field, the variable, to game.add tiles, right? Yep. 00, 800, 600. I'll explain this in a second. Okay, so we took the variable up here from space field, and then we're just adding it as a tile sprite. So it's gonna be a tile map, I guess. So it's gonna be repeating itself over and over again. Thanks to Phaser, it does this automatically. We're setting it at position 0, 0, so x0 and y0. So it's gonna put it at the top left. Then 800 by 600. That's the size of how we want to stretch. And the ID, which just makes a reference to our image. Okay, so now let's save that, Control S, and go back to our game. Only refresh. And we just got this picture here of what we drew. So now we need to make it scrolling. So the way we do that is space field dot tile position dot y plus equals 2 for the now. Now let's see if this works. Yep. So okay, what we did here was we made a reference to the variable, and then we took tile position and on the y-axis, and we made it so we add to every frame to the y position, so this makes it go up. Alright, what can I explain? Not really much. That's all about it. Let's see, what else can we do? No, I think that's enough. Oh, right, okay, so let's take full control of the speed that's going on. So let's make a new variable and name it background v, which stands for background velocity. So in this case, we just do plus. Let's make it background v. Hang on, okay. So we're making a variable, which is just going to be this, I guess, you understand? Alright, but let's set background v to something. So background v equals 2. This is basically on the same thing. just set it to 5 or something. Sorry, my mouse is too loud. I'm trying now a new microphone. But yeah, as you can see, it's working really well actually. So this is how to make scrolling backgrounds. Next episode, we're gonna carry on with making a player and making a move. So yeah, thanks for watching, boys.